Tell me about yourself.
Thanks for giving this opportunity. Good morning. My name is M. Sairasthikar. I have completed my engineering from Reputed Engineering College in the year 2021. I have done my major project on base modeling and modification of the gas burner.
What is your technical skills?
It's HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap.
Okay. So previous you've done any applications related to web? Do you know HTML and CSS, Bootstrap and JavaScript? Okay. So what is HTML?
HTML is a hypertext markup language. It is used to display the data in web pages in standard manner.
Then what is the difference between CSS and HTML?
By using CSS, we can make the pages.
What you can do with the help of CSS?
We can add colors.
Okay.
We can style the web pages.
Only styles. How you can make the responsiveness of your website? Okay. So what is property? What is the syntax of property? CSS property syntax. How many ways you can apply the CSS?
In three ways: inline CSS, internal CSS, and external CSS. Inline CSS, we can add styles inside the body. For internal CSS, we can add inside the head by using style tag. External CSS, we can create externally.
Which situation we can use external CSS?
For multiple classes, we want to apply the CSS properties. In these cases, we use external CSS.
When you can use the inline CSS?
For only one class which we want to make the styles.
When you can use an internal?
For single
Single?
class.
Single tag or single file?
Single file.
Single file. Okay. So what are the selectors in CSS?
By using selector, selectors are those in which we want to modify, in which we want to apply the CSS properties.
Okay. How many types we have?
5 types:
Names?
group selectors, universal selectors, element selectors, class selectors, ID selectors.
Right. Okay. So we have the parent and child also, right? So one parent tag we can take, and inside the child we have that one also we can take. Okay. So what is static pages? What is the difference between static pages and single page applications and dynamic applications?
In static pages, we have only the data we are seeing only in the single page. In dynamic, when we click on a link, it will move to the another pages.
So if you want to make the single page applications, what are the technologies you need to use
Single HTML, CSS.
for single page applications?
Good.
Okay. What is JavaScript?
JavaScript is scripting language. It is used for server-based client side.
Okay. What you can do exactly in web pages with the help of JavaScript?
We can write the operation for fun in the web pages.
Okay. Only operations? Okay. So what is variable?
Variable is used to store the data.
Store the data. Where?
In variables,
Where?
we can store variable name.
That is a permanent data it will store or temporary? How many types of variables we have? What is the syntax of variable?
Variable.
Only syntax, and you can write one example. Okay. Here we can use always where.
Let.
When you can use the let and when you can use the wait. What is the difference of that? Okay, so whenever you want to use a particular slope or locally you want to use inside of the functions or any impacts or any for loop backs related, at that time you want to work only the inside of the particular block locally, so then you can use an let keyword. Okay, so whenever you are need to use this variable throughout of your script, then you can use where. Okay, and one more keyword we are also using constant.
Constant.
At constant you don't want to change that value, then you can use a constant.
Constant.
Okay, what is a function? What is operators?
So, logic.
How many operators do you know?
Arithmetic.
Hmm.
Logical.
Okay, what is the
Bitwise.
use of arithmetic?
We can perform arithmetic operations like addition, subtractions. Multiplication.
Okay, I'm writing down a simple program. Okay, you can tell me tell me the answer of this program, what you can get exactly. Okay, what is the output of this program?
So, document dot write only printed.
ఏమొస్తుంది అవుట్పుట్ ఏమొస్తుంది?
1 plus I. So, I value
ఆయన వస్తుంది.
1 plus I.
Okay, what is the difference between if and if else?
If condition is true, in if condition, if the condition is true, it is going to perform the operation which is present in the if condition.
Okay,
Wherein if else, if the condition is true, it is going to perform the operation in the if block. If the condition is wrong, it is going to the else block, which is it is going to print which is present in the else block.
okay. So I'm giving one simple scenario. Okay, so I have the one array. Okay, so inside of this array I have the values. That values I want to sum up the value. It's all the values I need to sum up the array. What is the difference between variable and array?
In variable, we can store single value. In array, we can store multiple values.
In arrays you can store the multiple. So I want to print the values 1 to 1000, only even numbers. How you can write? What is Ajax?
So by using Ajax, we can get the data from backend.
Hmm?
It is the mediator between the backend and front.
What are the HTTP methods we have?
Get to post to put, delete.
Okay. What is the use of GET?
So we can get the data